Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Microsoft Teams error 5 and LHG in Windows. Let's fix it guys. Fix one, you just need to sign out and sign back into Teams. To do this, open up Microsoft Teams and click on the profile icon and select the sign out option. And after signing out, just close the Teams completely and restart it. Just like this, close execute Teams, and now open the Teams and sign back in. Fix 2, you just need to update Teams to the latest version. To do this, open up Teams and click on this three dot icon and select settings, and here select about Teams, and it will automatically check for updates. In my case, I got the latest version. If it is updating, then you just need to wait for the update to get done. After getting update done, just to close stuff here. Fix 3, you just need to clear cached credentials. To do this, you just need to open up Teams and click on the profile icon and select the sign out option. And after getting sign out, just to close out of the Microsoft Teams. Now go to search menu and type credential manager. Click on open it. Select Windows credentials. Locate and remove any stored credentials related to Microsoft Teams. Click on this drop down and select the remove option related to it. After doing it, just close stuff here and restart Teams and re-enter your login details. Fix 4, you just need to reinstall Teams. To do this, go to search menu and type installed apps. Click on open it. Find Teams and click on three dot icon next to it and select uninstall. And select uninstall to uninstall the Microsoft Teams. After getting done, you just need to open up File Explorer, go to this PC, select the View tab on the top and select Show. Make sure to check this hidden items. After that, double click on the C drive, Program Files, find the Windows apps, double click on the Windows app folder. Now in here, scroll down and find Microsoft Teams. If you find anything named as Microsoft Teams, you just need to right click on it and select delete option. After getting deleted, just to close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type a percentage app data percentage again and press enter. And now in here you just need to right click on the Teams and select delete option. After getting deleted done, just to close stuff here and right click on the recycle bin, select empty recycle bin. And now restart the system and reinstall the app, and this should fix your problem guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.